what up? So this is like I would say officially week one. It's the new year 2026 of sort of my trading journey, road to funded. So it's currently 11:12 at the 5th of January. Right, let's dive right into this. So basically, here's my notes for this week. I'm just talking to myself because obviously I've been doing this for quite a while now. And so on the 10th of Jan, if I'm still profitable, which I have been, let's look at my closed positions for the last 30 days. It's been decent, like I'm in profit. So I definitely have an idea now. But anyway, so yeah, basically this is sort of my strategy and this is what I'm doing. This is like the ones that I'm looking at. So the main one I've been doing the whole time is GBP/USD. Currently in a trade in USD JPY. I'm doing forex currency pairs. This is it currently to get a take profit there. It's currently in profit. It almost stopped out when I entered, but it's obviously come back, which is great news, but you know, it's not settled yet, it's not done. But yeah, that and also Euro USD, because I've been looking at this one and I actually got stopped out. Anyway, so, and then I will also be scouring over all of these ones here on these forex pairs, but basically I'm trading currently on like daily time frames and also 4-hour time frames, weekly time frames kind of thing, rather than it being in the half an hour, which is per day, which is something I do want to do. Oh my god, I look fucking huge here. Okay, so anyway, let's lock the fuck in. So yeah, currently for this week anyway, for what I'm trying to look for, I'm currently interested in Euro USD still, because as you can see, right, I got stopped out up here. I believe, look, price is in a week, in a bullish manner. Daily time frame is also bullish, but if this closes down here below this little corner here, then it has shifted structure, which means I'm wrong, which means I'm not going to take the trade, but definitely interested in it because it's showing resistance here, right? And it's still bullish until proven otherwise for today. If it starts rising up and it doesn't clear and it closes above this, then I'm still very interested in this trade. And then yeah, GBP/USD, let's see here. Okay, yeah. Look, it's definitely shifted structure. I can see that there's an area of interest that's dabbling into, and also equilibrium. I believe though it's come up and hit this high. The next high is very high up. So unless you know that it's shown resistance on this high since taking it for the past few days, and it's also got a pretty engulfing candle to start going bullish. So, and also price has dipped into equilibrium and it didn't respect it and it didn't go up. So look, I'm just also looking and waiting because not too sure if this is going to continue it or not. Yeah, then I looked into, yeah, I couldn't see any, wasn't interested in there. Okay, so for AUD USD, price has actually hit equilibrium, and also currently, as you can see, this white line here is an area of interest. So price is hitting this and it's touched. It has a certain amount of touches, right? See how there's a consistent, look at that, 3 heads that just keeps pushing off of this. Yeah, it's gone in there and it's actually broken that, hit equilibrium, broken that rule, and it could retest into here, and I believe it may go up to here, but we'll have to wait and just see what happens, see what price does here, and obviously go into the 4-hour time frame, and as you can see, it has very much sort of retraced into here and may want to go out. So I'm interested in AUD USD, interested in USD Euro USD. Here, I mean, there's a lot of consolidation here. What I mean by that, all I mean by that is there's just a lot of buffering. There's a lot of movement, but you know, it is in a pretty bearish trend here. And as you can see on like a higher time frame scale, it always seems to rebound. It's come up here, right? It's broken past that, and it's actually using this to maybe retest and maybe go down. So I may be interested in USD, CHF, GBP, AUD, nothing. Couldn't say anything. No, couldn't say anything here, and couldn't say it. So realistically, for this week, well, I'm already locked in a trade. I'll let you know how that goes, obviously later during the week. If that takes profit or not, and then interested in USD, Euro USD, and interested in USD CHF, and also interested in AUD USD. So we'll see how these trades go and they play out through time. But now I'm just at work. I'm back at work and back on the content. Well, never stopped with the content, but back on the grind now. It's a new year, and yeah, we got some really exciting things planned. On the 10th of January, I'm gonna pay for a funded account and go for a test again, because it's been basically, it'd be 2 months of profitability. So this definitely works. But one of the other things I want to do is then use this strategy, and you can put it into a 30-minute time frame. So I can at 7 p.m. every day actually maybe see if I can do break and retest and all that sort of stuff on a shorter time frame, and just to practice and get more confident with it. But yeah, so yeah, I'm gonna let you know how it goes. All right, what up, Wheeligans? Happy Friday, happy Friday, happy Friday. So I'm gonna get straight into it. So obviously it's Friday now, and yeah, as you can see, it's looking okay. So let's go over everything that we went over. I'll show you the results of this week so far. So I obviously put a prediction for GBP/USD to go up. I was in fact wrong. It actually also broke structure. So that's quite huge as a confirmation, but there you go. Didn't actually action on it, so was saved. And that's the key to this, is actually waiting to see what happens and pick the best of the best, right? Okay, so I ended up actually for Euro USD, it did, pardon me, actually officially break structure. And on the 4-hour time frame, as you can see here, actually came, and I thought it was going to come, so it came down. I thought it was going to retest this area of interest, but actually went and retested another area of interest and decided to push further. And so obviously there is a confirmation here of a break and retest, right? Because it just broke structure and it came and retested and pushed further down. So I then put in a trade, currently in it now, to hit this low down here, because that's that's where liquidity lies. So that's one trade. USD JPY, this thing has only just today, look at today. It's actually finally, so I entered in here, right? It's taken its time, it came down and it's finally up here. I wanted to do this live. My prediction is it's gonna come up and take out this high, right? Which it will, but I'm going to take out and set a partial profit here, right? Because that's the truth. It's there. I'm going to take a partial profit and I will let it run. Yeah, let me see what else here. Nothing. We weren't looking at that. Yes. Yeah, cool. So we said for AUD USD was the other one that I was interested in. It was a bullish, was a bullish break and retest. Watch on the 4-hour and 1 hour to see the confirmation, and I in fact actually did. There was a very engulfing candle that took out a lot of liquidity, and that is with 2 rejection candles and a big engulfing, big fat schlong of a candle. So then I obviously expanded it out, took my and then put it to the nearest daily high, and I actually took that trade and it took profit, as you can see here. Obviously the one Euro USD is the fail, but anyway, Yeah, so let's move on to the next. I was wrong here, so a lot of consolidation. I was wrong. It just break a retest. It actually shot up quite a lot. So could have done a bit better there. Nothing here, and I don't think I did anything on these. So overall, another winning week, right? I mean, well, technically, no, I mean, oh, well, no, technically not. I'm in 2 trades, and I know they're up, but hey, you never know, right? So with Euro USD, USD JPY, I will take a partial profit here, just because that is what I would do anyway. Is just, you know, this has taken a long time. Of course, I will leave it into whether it gets stopped out or not, but that's a pretty solid engulfing candle, and if it hits this high on a daily time frame, I will just take partial profit or just take the profit, and obviously I'll just keep an eye out to see how that goes and keep it in history like this for here. But yeah, so that's it for this week. Solid week. Well, I mean, there's no real confirmation on it, but I'd say it's a pretty solid week. And yeah, this is episode 1. I'm going to do these weekly, same with the discipline files, and also if you fuck with me, check out my personal videos. I make them also once a week. Just smashing it. Got dreams, got ambitions, but this is really what I'm going to be locked in with for the next infinity times infinity. But yeah, that's it from me. Love you guys so much. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and also comment if you like this and if you'd want to see more of it, or things you want to know. If you've got any questions about trading, I would happily answer all of them. So yeah, anyway, that's it from me. Peace.